guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Prestige P, and if you're new here, welcome. So in today's video, you can already tell from the title that I'll be doing a DIY skincare routine that you can do at home. This is pretty much something that you can do without spending money on skincare and facial. You know, it's expensive. Going to these facial places is very expensive if you want it to done properly. So pretty much this is like a DIY that you can do at home. You already, trust me, everyone already have the stuff at home. So pretty much I'm going to show you how I do it. And right now, I don't know if you can hear it, but I have my steamer on. This is the Conair steamer. I kind of use this just to open up my pores. So I don't know if you see the steam coming out, but I kind of like use it just to open up my pores so I can, you know, the stuff that I put on my face, it could like seep into the pores and work properly. So we're gonna jump right into this video, and pretty much I'm gonna show you exactly how I do my DIY facial scrub at home, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what I put in there. But before we get started, I need you to click that red subscribe button down below and turn on your bell so you can get notified every time I do upload. Okay guys, so pretty much what I have in here is pretty much like 4 products, 4 ingredients. The first ingredient is coffee. You guys know, or if you may not know, I drink coffee every single day. This is what I have to drink to start my day. If I don't have coffee, I'm grumpy and all of that stuff. So I have coffee every day, and the grind of the coffee that left over after it's done, this is what I put in there. So the first thing is coffee. Coffee scrub has several benefits that include exfoliating and anti-inflammatory properties, temporarily reduce of cellulite, improve circulation, reduce eye puffiness, and smooth skin. So the next product that I have in here is apple cider vinegar. Yes, I said it. It's the Bragg apple cider vinegar, not any apple cider vinegar. It has to be the Bragg apple cider vinegar. And I put 1 tablespoon of that. Apple cider vinegar has anti-inflammatory properties, and it consists of antic acid and alpha hydroxy acid. This means apple cider vinegar can exfoliate the skin, absorb excessive oil, and unplug blocked pores. It also has the power to restore the proper pH level of your skin. The next product that I have in here is honey. It has to be the natural honey, not no honey that you mix up and stuff like that. It has to be the organic natural honey. Honey is very good for your skin. I put 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey is a natural antibacterial, so it is great for acne treatment and prevention of aging. It is great for slowing down aging, complexion boost. It is extremely moisturizing, and it's slow, smooth, and it helps create a glow. Extra virgin olive oil has been used topically to reveal even dry skin. It has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and anti-aging properties. Okay guys, so pretty much I kind of like sit in front of the steamer for, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm sorry my camera is just not down for you to see it. But I kind of put my face in the steamer for 1 minute just to open up my pores and all of that stuff. So while that is finished, I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. And then you have to make sure that your skin is already like clean. No makeup, no oil, nothing like that. Go ahead and use your regular normal stuff that you use to wash your face after a long day at work, if you're outside, because you guys know when you're outside, the dust come up in your face. So make sure you already wash your face, okay? So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go ahead and I also let it sit for 1 hour. So I put all the ingredients in it, and then I mix it up, and then I let it sit for 1 hour, or you could even let it sit for overnight. And then you're gonna go ahead, and this is the consistency of it. This is how it looks. And then you're gonna go ahead and just rub it on your face, and make sure your hands are clean. So I'm going to take a little bit at a time, and it could be very, very, very messy. So make sure you have something in front of you so that your place doesn't get messed up. And I'm going to rub it on my face. And put it all over your face and kind of massage it in for like 3 minutes. So you're gonna work it in, baby. You're gonna work it in. It feels like it's taking off all that dead skin off your face. That's how it feels like it. And I love coffee. So if you're not a coffee drinker, if you hate the smell of coffee, you can't do this, okay? But pretty much I do this once a week. You can do it more time if you want to, but I do this once a week, and I just rub it into my skin. Don't go crazy and rub too much. Like, be gentle on your skin. And I just rub it all over for 3 to 4 minutes. And doing this definitely will make your skin look different, feel different, and also if you do have on makeup, you will definitely see a difference. Make sure that you doesn't let it catch into your eye and all of that stuff. I even put it all the way. I scrub my eyebrow too. So just put it all over and just scrub. Okay guys, so now that the 3 minutes is up, you're gonna let it sit on your skin until it feels a little bit dry, and then you're gonna go ahead and wash your face off in lukewarm water. Okay guys, so now that I finished and I washed my face off, I wish you could feel my face right now. My skin feels so smooth. Like, it is, oh my god, try it. I swear to you, try it at home and you will definitely see the difference with the texture and the look of your skin. So I washed it off. Now I'm going to go ahead and hydrate. This is a hydration mask, and you could use any hydration mask or any mask that you want to use after you've done this. This is how it looks. Camera is a little bit light, but pretty much it's just a regular mask. You could use any mask of your choice, and I mask like once a month. I don't mask every week. When I do this, I do this twice a week, but for the mask I do this once a month. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just put it on all over my entire face. Make sure that you don't touch your eyes or your mouth. And also, this mask feels very cooling. It feels like mint on your skin, and that's the reason why I love this kind of mask. Okay guys, so I'm gonna let that sit until it's dry, because when it dry, it get very kind of hard and you could feel it tighten up your skin. So I'm gonna let that sit. I would say about 10, it all depends. Just as long as it's dry, then you can go ahead and wash it off. So now I'm gonna go ahead and scrub my lips. You guys know I always talk about this. This is what I use on my channel sometime when I'm doing my makeup. My lips are super dry, especially because the winter is on right now, and I do have super dry skin, so I have to always moisturize my lips. And this scrub is from Amazon, and you could get any lip scrub of your choice. So while this is on drying, I'm going to put this scrub on onto my lips and then rub it off at the same time. Okay guys, so I am back and I went ahead and I washed my face off. I use the gel cleanser to wash my face. I will put everything down in the description box where I get this from and everything. This is very, I would say, it's not too harsh, because if you do have sensitive skin, you cannot put any harsh products on your skin. So this is very good. So next, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna moisturize my face and I'm going to put hyaluronic on my skin. You guys know hyaluronic acid is very good for you. If you haven't used or tried hyaluronic acid before, try it today, okay? So first what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my hyaluronic acid on. Oh guys, you should feel my skin right now. My skin feels so good. So good. And make sure that you're also putting your products on your neck. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and use my pods for dry skin. You guys know this is the only thing I use because it helps me with my dry skin and it helps me a lot. So I do put a lot, as you can see. I do put a lot, but I make sure that I suck it right into my skin so that my skin could be hydrated throughout the day, because it's winter time and winter time with dry skin doesn't work. So make sure that you're always put a moisturizer on your skin. Look how my skin looks. Oh my god, my skin looks so moist, so healthy and nice. Okay, look at that glow, guys. Like, look at that glow. Like, can you see all that glow? Ugh. Alright, so the final step is my lips. You guys know that I did a scrub. So I'm just using a regular moisturizer chapstick. Nothing serious here. And just go ahead and just moisturize your lip. Okay guys, so this is the final of the video. I still do have more left over. Like, this could last you for 1 month. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cover it up. And I'm going to put it into my fridge. And normally when I put it into the fridge, if I'm going to use it that day, I take it out like an hour or 2 hours before so that it doesn't feel cold on my skin. So it is very good to have, and I hope you guys try it. If you do, leave me a comment down below and let me know how your skin feel, because you will just love me more and more when you try this. And it's very inexpensive. Tell me how much you spend. Nothing. Okay, you spend nothing at all doing your DIY facial at home. So yeah guys, don't forget to tune in and check me out. Turn on your notification, press that red subscribe button, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.